Hi everyone! As you can see, I actually have a lot to show you today, but before we get started, I have my snacks. I love these Reese's Pieces eggs, so I've been munching on those, and that is my lunch because nails wouldn't be nails without snacks. So, you guys are joining me today because you want to know if you can stamp with regular polish. And the short answer is yes, you can stamp with regular polish. And today I'm going to demonstrate for you just a couple of colors that I actually have around. Because, like I said, we've been in quarantine. So I'm kind of just picking and choosing. And to be completely honest, I don't have a lot of regular polishes. But if I do, they're quite old because I use gel a lot more than regular polish. So I just kind of picked and choose some colors. And we can just jump right into it. I've been seeing a lot of people doing this trick with the brand new stamper. So I actually had a brand new Holly Jolly stamper that I found, and as you can see, there's like a little bit of that oil. I probably let it set for only about an hour or so. So I'm gonna put it back into the stamper head, really gently, and I kind of use this line as a gauge to how my stamper should be. I know we've talked a lot about that, so yeah. So there. And then I also wanted to show you and see, or actually test it with you guys, if a brand new stamper can just stamp right onto the nail. So let's get started. So right here, I have a nail plate, and I have some white tips that I did and some black tips. Here is, I'm going to start off with black first, stamping in black. So if you guys are not familiar, this is our Maniology straight up black stamping polish, which is so awesome. It's a really nice, rich, uh, and thick, opaque stamping polish. And so in general, the stamping with regular polish is just not as opaque. So it depends on your design. Um, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. Okay, just make sure. This polish, regular polish, is actually what I would recommend a lot of people using back in the day when stamping was completely brand new. Oh, I picked it up. So no priming required. I picked that up with no problem. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. Seems like I'm trying to get it as clear as possible, but also keep in mind some of my polishes have been sitting for a long time. That was another thing I would recommend to people using regular polish. The older the polish, the better because it gets thicker. This looks pretty good. Like I said, this Wet and Wild 99-cent black polish was what I would recommend to a lot of people before who are trying out stamping. This is just called Black Cream. But basically this design, I can kind of see through a little. I'm trying to get it as close as possible, but it looks okay. But I think what you'll notice when I use the straight up black, it's going to be a lot deeper. Let's compare apples to apples. Let me clean off this design so you can really see. And I'm trying to lift up my polish. I'm sorry, my plate, because my table moves around a lot. So let me try that again. Okay. Oops. That's okay. I think to the naked eye, you probably can't see much aside from my poor stamping pickup, but um, the stamping polish is a lot deeper and richer as opposed to the black cream. And basically, how I can tell is in the moon, I can kind of see through and see a little bit of white. And so that's pretty much the difference between stamping polish and regular polish. It's just the thickness and the opacity in order to see, your stamp design. So if you're looking for, maybe if you're double stamping two designs and you're looking for maybe like a lighter background, maybe regular polish might be, something you want to try. Or rather, if that's all you have laying around the house. Okay, so here I'm going to try again. I have these two colors. So this is our turquoise. Ooh, focus, turquoise. And not exactly the same color, but this is a Jessica polish that I've had. Surfer Boys in berry. Cute. Okay. So let's see. Actually, I want to use... I'll use white for this. So this is using the stamping polish. So this is our stamping polish in turquoise, and it comes out opaque and thick. Yeah, I should really organize these a little bit. So, but this is live, so you can really see how I do it. Let me clean off my stamper. Nothing fancy. This is just 100% acetone. I think it's the Sally Beauties brand. Okay. So now let me try with the regular polish. And I'm sorry, guys, if it's looking a little crazy over here because I have like a small area to really work with to stay in focus and camera. So I don't know if you guys can see this. Okay. But you see how see-through that is? I don't know if you can really tell on the design, but I can see right through. Yeah. Aside from the color itself, which I know, again, it's not exactly the same color. Yeah, it's just really see-through and really white. Now, again, if that's the kind of design you're going for, if you're looking for something that's lighter, go for it. Okay, I actually have two metallics here. So this one is our pewter. Oh, excuse me. Pewter. And this is a Color Club. Actually, I can't even get Color Club where I'm at right now. Bummer. And this one, it's called, I think it's called On the Rocks, but that part kind of rubbed off. So let's see. Let's find another design. Okay, I'll just switch up the plate completely. So don't get confused. If you guys are looking at this plate, it's like, oh, how come it has a blue background? I actually have a decent amount of Bundle Monster plates at home. And, a little back history, we actually used to be Bundle Monster / BMC. So don't get confused. We are Maniology. And we still have a lot of these plates. So. Okay. So let's do this flower design. So now I'm using the pewter, our Maniology pewter. Ooh, pretty. You guys see that? Okay. Mm. Nice, rich, thick lines. You can see everything. Why is this not? Sorry, I'm trying to focus in there. You see that? Okay. So clean that off. So while I'm doing this and stuff, you know, of course we're in quarantine, but let me know in the comments if you guys are binge watching any shows or if there's any shows that I should watch. So this is the Color Club Silver. I actually started watching this. I know it's not a new show, but a show called Lucifer. Super funny. Okay, so let's see. Let's get a black tip. Ooh. Okay. Again, this is a polish that has been sitting for quite a while, so it is very old. But that looks really nice. Okay, okay. Very nice. If we're gonna compare the two, actually, I'm sorry. This is Color Club, and this is ours. Not bad. So, like I said, I mean, you gotta pick and choose, you know. But I think in general, if you find a regular polish, 9 times out of 10, it's just not gonna be as pigmented. But you could get lucky, like kind of like how I am. Oh, have somebody else who says they love Lucifer. Just finished. Yeah, Lucifer has been a very funny show to watch. Okay. I think I have white left because I only have 2 tips. Okay, quickly. You guys want to see the beigey colors or you guys want to see me stamp with white? Let me know. Let's see. You know, I did the black. Let me just do the white. That probably would make a little bit more sense. White. Okay, got it. Seems like we're all on the same page here. Okay. Let me grab another plate. I love this plate. It's so much fun. This is our tattoo collab. Okay. Okay. So white, I'm using our BAM white. And then I have this old Sally Hansen. I'm like scraping the bottom of this. And it's just called White On. So let's try. It's been renewed for season 5. And oh, right on. Cool. I'm excited. I just started the season. But his character is hilarious. Okay. Get it together, T. Okay. So this has nothing to do with my stamping skills. That is definitely poor stamping skills on my part. But I don't know if in this video you can really see the black background. So let me do the BAM white. So you can see. Actually, I'm just going to do this other design so I don't have to waste time. Elena, get it. This plate is so much fun. So much fun. Oh. Okay, where is my other black tip? Okay. I think this is a really good example. So do you see how like white, like it looks like white out, that design is in comparison to that design? Yeah. So again, you know, perhaps, it all goes down to what design you're looking for or how you want to place your design. Maybe you might have some polishes, that might work for your idea. Maybe not. But, in general, stamping polishes were made for stamping specifically. So, if you're doing this for the first time, and you do have stamping polishes, that's definitely what I would recommend. However, if you have another design, if you're trying to do layers, if um, maybe you're doing reverse stamping, or some kind of advanced technique, then maybe regular polishes is will work for you. But yeah, what do you guys think? I think those roses came out beautifully. Maybe I might stamp them later. Okay, well, if you guys have any other questions or things maybe that I didn't cover, please feel free to write down. Also, if you have any suggestions, you want to see different types of videos, more manicures with Tiana, let me know if you have anything. Again, right now I'm just trying to use products that I have at home to maybe address some of your questions or just do some demonstrations with you. And again, we're doing this so we can all feel connected during this time. And I think we're doing a really good job. If you haven't already become a member of our Facebook community, it's completely free. Please do so. It's called Maniology Community. We have a lot of members there. Everyone who's been so supportive, been so inspirational. I've seen a lot of beautiful manicures. Actually, just a lot of really cool people just ready to support you if you have any stamping questions and we're not here. Um, yeah, just join. It's free. We just want to surround ourselves with really cool people, really supportive people. And again, hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks so much for being here with me and take care.